So, on my way back from San Antonio, goddamn transmission started making weird noises. That some bitch start making a fucking every time I would hit the gas, it goes away when I let off the gas, and it start fucking puking out of the breather. So, fuck that transmission. So I had a 2-wheel transmission. I took off the adapter. Over here, this is a 2-wheel transmission. The only thing that's different is the adapter. So this is the 2-wheel adapter, and this is the 4-wheel adapter. The only difference is one has a metal seal and one has a plastic. I'm not gonna use this shit, but that goes right there. And put it together, and I'm off to fucking California. Hot shot shit ain't easy.